Isa ka bang Hunter x Hunter fan? Tara, mag-unbox tayo. And stay until the end of this video guys, para sa surprise. These are the second half of the members ng Spider na recently released. To be honest with you guys, hindi ko na masyado nasubaybayan yung Hunter x Hunter after nung parang nasa tower sila Gon at saka Killua. And even yung manga, hindi ko na rin nasubaybayan. And because na hindi ko masyadong nasubaybayan ng Hunter x Hunter, the surprise guys is I will be giving this as a set if you would support yung channel ko. Help me grow on these apps. I will put the link in the description, and if nag-grow within the week, I will probably giving this out to one of you as a set. So don't forget to like this video, comment, and share this so that makita din ng iba. So yun yung ating surprise guys, and I hope you got to this point. Once again, support me on these other platforms and reshare this video so that malaman din ng iba. So this has been the Hiligay Knows channel, Targa Hilig, and let it be known, God bless everyone.